Morning, guys. I just wanted to show you how I prepare my morning breakfast. We're going to show you how I weigh and measure and log it into MyFitnessPal. Okay, so every day I eat 2 eggs. I usually have some form of a breakfast sausage here, and I have a veggie, and my preferred veggie is broccoli. We pan roast this up in some olive oil, and then we have it on hand in our fridge at all times. I do half of an avocado, and my morning coffee, we do espresso here, and so it's 1 shot of espresso with about a cup of almond milk. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. There's really nothing here that I need the food scale for, and we'll show you how to use the food scale in another video, but this is definitely a tool that is always out. It gets used every day. So for now, I'm just gonna set that aside. Okay, so going into MyFitnessPal, here's my day. I haven't logged anything in yet. I'm gonna go into breakfast, add food. Okay, I'm just gonna search for egg. Right here, have egg. And number of servings is 2. I'm gonna hit that check mark, that gets added. Next, I'm going to add this sausage, this breakfast sausage, which we really like this because this is Whole30 approved. That just means that there's no added sugar. We really like that. So here I'm going to hit this little barcode and scan the barcode on the package and add that. Okay, next let's do the broccoli. So what I'm going to do is I take my measuring cup. So if you want a cup of broccoli, you're going to use 1 cup. Right now I'm doing half cup. So I'm just going to take a half cup of broccoli. That's okay if it's a little over. This is an approximation right here. And I'm going to go back into MyFitnessPal, look for broccoli, adjust my number of servings, and add that. Now, like I said, we do pan roast this in some olive oil, so I'm going to add some olive oil. This is an approximation. We're pretty liberal with the olive oil, so let's say 2 tablespoons. Okay, got that added. Let's see, what else am I missing? My almond milk. So going back, we're going to scan this UPC code. Where is it? Right here. Okay, got that. Last but not least, we've got the avocado. Half of an avocado, done, boom. So that's my breakfast. Right here, this is what I eat every day for breakfast. So I just finished making my breakfast. Pretty simple to prepare. I just take all of my ingredients, put it in a pan, scramble it together, and then I throw my avocado on top. Here's what it looks like. Simple to prepare and it tastes great. So we have one final note on MyFitnessPal. When you guys sign up, there is a free version and a premium version. We recommend that you stick with the free version. Now, when you sign up, it's going to take you through a series of prompts, and at the end, it's going to give you a recommended calorie goal. Ignore the calories.